Hi beauties, it's Gina with Beauty and the Stamper, and today I wanted to show you how to make this cute little box out of 2 pieces of 6x6 paper. So it's actually going to be 1 piece of 6x6 paper and 1 piece of 3x3. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to get out my trimmer here, and first we're going to cut, and we're going to cut our 3x3. And another 3 here. So with 3 pieces of paper, you could easily make 2 boxes. And then we're going to get rid of that. And then what we're going to do is at 2, we're going to score. So you could use a scoreboard, or what I like on the Stampin' trimmer is it already has a score on there. We're just going to turn at 2, and then we're going to turn it again at 2, and then our last one at 2. So we have this guy here. Then we're going to take our 3 and we're going to do this one at it's going to be at 2.5 and a tiny smidge over, just a tiny smidge. And then we're going to turn it. We're going to go 2.5 and a tiny smidge over. Two and a half and a tiny smidge. And then the last one, we're going to do 2.5 and a little tiny smidge again. And the little smidge is because we want to be able to have the top of the box just a little smidge bigger than the bottom. So we're going to take our scissors and we're going to do some cuts. So I'm going to take this and cut right up the center. And the same on this side. And I'm going to cut a little bit there. And a little bit there. Now we're going to do the same here. We're going to cut right up the center on the same side. And then a little tiny bit there. It's a bunch of repeating. And there we've got the top. Now this part, even easier. We're going to go straight up those score lines. There to the middle. And you're going to do that on that side and again on that side. Now we're going to come over here. We're going to do the same thing. Same, just opposite. And then again over here. This is going to be a quick box. And then you're going to score those down. And if you have a bone folder, you can get a nice score there. We're going to do the same thing on this side. Get those down there. We're going to score those or burnish these down along the score lines. And then we're going to do this side. And then finally this side. So we're going to come like this. We're going to have this piece, we're going to add some glue here. And we're going to put that together, just like that. Then we're going to do the same thing on this side. And we're going to put this one together, just like that. And then we're going to get these sides, and we're going to put that side up. And this gives it, you'll see the difference in the stability by having all of those sides. Some people like to cut them off, but they're going to give just some nice stability on there. Then you're going to take this side and you're going to do that. There we go. Look at that box. There's the top. Now let's do this part. And this one I'm not burnishing down 100%. I'm just doing a finger burnish. And then we're going to bring this side in. There we go. And we're going to put some glue on this side. We're going to bring that in and hold that. And we're going to do the same. Now I got a little bit of glue. If you have a little bit of glue that goes somewhere, I just use this little guy. And you can get this at the Dollar Tree, believe it or not. And that glue comes right off. So then we're going to take this piece. Actually, I tore this a little bit, so this is not going to be the best. But that's okay. We're still going to put it together so you can see. I pressed a little too hard on the score line, and yeah, it just came right off. But that's okay. We'll fix it. No problems. So I will show you how we fix it. And then we're going to do the same thing here. So it's only one side, but we're going to fix the whole thing. It'll be nice. So if you have an issue like that, don't worry. You can always put tape. You could always put washi. So much to decorate. But I'm going to get this glue off of my finger before we move along. And so then you could see if this was closed correctly. That beautiful little box. So we have our box here, and we have this piece that needs to be mended. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a piece of ribbon, and we're going to put this around. I'm going to add some tape on here. What's going on? Oh, I'm out of tape. I'm going to put some tape on here. And we're going to start it right here. And I'm going to put tape around here. and move that around. It actually fits perfectly and it matches nicely. We're going to put a little more here. It's going to be such a cute little box, and all you have to remember is the 2-inch score lines and then 2.5 and a scotch. Okay, so here's our ending, and I'm going to put, we already have a little bit of glue, but I'm going to put more right along the edge there. We're going to put that, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on here because we got to make sure that it does fit. And now we can move that around. So we've got that great topper now. And I'm going to cut this right there. I happen to make a little topper for it anyhow. So I'm going to put that right there. This was planned. This was going to go here whether this had to go there or not, but we're going to clean up that ribbon. Not clean it, hide it. And we're going to make sure that this does not hit the bottom of that box. So we're going to go right there, and then we're going to get this nice and centered. Just like that. And push that down. Let's see, I'm going to push it down a little bit better. And this says, may your birthday be filled with pretty things. So that means you could stick nice little pretty things in here. Maybe a pair of earrings or something like that. But there you go. Look at that beautiful little box. Who wouldn't want this nicely decorated box? If you don't want to decorate, that's okay. This one is just a box with no decor on it. So I hope you like it. Let me know what you think. And if you try it, make sure you tag me so I can see it. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.